Hi everyone, how are you? Mr. Zaki with you to explain Mawheba level 3. So now we will take model 5. I want to be attention to solve the problems. Number 1, we have the question number 1. Find the value of 20 divided by 4 plus 17 times 9 minus 6. How I solve these problems? Okay, you arrange, you have operation, that's you arrange operation. First, if you have the same problem, first you do it the brackets. And second one, you do it also power, yeah, exponent, if you have exponent. Also, then multiplication and division are the third one, or if you get multiplication, division are the same power. So the last one, you do it addition, and you do it also addition and yeah, addition and subtraction. Okay, now we have this problem. So 20 divided by 4, I do it this. 20 divided by 4, it is 5. Also plus 17 times 9 minus 6 is 3. So 17 multiplied by 3. Then you when you get the multiply it 17, the product 17 times 3, it is 51, and plus 5, it is 56. So yes, the answer is 56. Right, good. So the correct answer is 56. So it is number C. Right, thank you very much. So the answer is C. Okay, now how we find number 2 now? We will go to number 2. Find the value, square root of 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Now I can't solve it, the problem, when you see addition here. So you must add, you must get the answer, then you must find the answer, then you can solve the square root. So the answer is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals plus 20, right? So here 20. Now 20, what is the answer? How I analyze 20 to multiplication. So here, look here. So the answer is who with me? Oh, yes, Maria Al-Jish, yes. Then 20, it is what? 20, it is 4 multiplied by 5. 4 multiplied by 5. So only here, 4 multiplied by 5. Then 4 go to outside of square root. Square root of 4, it is 2 square root of 5, right? So the answer is what? The answer, the correct answer is C, right? Good, good, Fatima, right? Okay, the third one now, we will go to the third one. Okay, number 3, compare between two values. We have two values. I want which one is greater than another one. Now I have 0.405. Muhammad Abdul Latif, can you hear me? And do you understand me? 0.405 and 0.45, right? Good. So which one is greater? Which value is greater than another one? So when you compare between two values, okay, here 405, this 45. Okay, you compare between the first digit after common 4 here, and you have 0 and here 5. So the second one is greater than the first one. So B is value of B is greater than value of A. Right, good. Now, number 4. If the age of Faris now is X years, then twice his age 5 years ago is, what is it? I think it is easy. It is easy this for you, right? What do you think? What do you think the answer? The age of Faris now is X, right? And said that then twice his age 5, twice. So 5 years ago. Okay, now how I write it? Because Faris is X and 5 years ago, that's X minus 5, right? And twice you multiply it by 2, so you write 2x minus 5. So the answer is 2x minus 5. We have the same answer? Oh, no. No, so you distribute multiplication. Here you distribute, you multiply. 2 times x equals 2x, right? And 2 multiply minus 5, it is minus 10. So the answer is number what? Number D. You see? Do you understand? It is D because 2x minus 10, right? Okay, number 5. If half to the power x equals 5, then 8 to the power minus x, what is the answer? Now, how I solve these problems? Because here I have half to the power x. Look here, half to the power x equals 5. Then he needs 8 to the power minus x. So the first one to get this answer, you transfer, because I have here negative. I want the same here. It is positive. How I transfer from negative to positive? To change denominator and numerator. 8, it is what? 8, it is 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 all together to the power minus x. Then the denominator is 1. When you change from negative to positive, you also you change here. The numerator put it, denominator and numerator put it in the above. So you put 1 over 2 to the power. Yes, you can write here 3 multiplied by x, it is 3x. You can write it here, right? So here 3, you can multiply the second power and you change from negative to positive. So what is it? Half to the power x. Half to the power x, it is 5. So you here substitute, you put it 5 to the power 3. Because look here, because here, look here, half to the power x, half to the power x, it is 5. So I substituted half to the power x, it is 5 to the power 3. So the answer is 5 to the power 3. The answer is what? 1 to 5. Do you understand, or I repeat the explaining? Do you understand how I get 125? Good. Maria, do you understand? Right, good. What about another student? Yeah, I can repeat, right? I can repeat. Okay, now I can repeat the problems. Okay, I solve it another way. Okay, be attention, please. Okay, now I have a to the power minus x. and you analyze the 8. It is what? It is 2 to the power 3, right? And to the power minus x. Then you multiply 3 to the power minus x. It is what? It is 2 to the power minus 3x, right? Good. So now, because I have negative here and I have positive here, so you try to change from negative to positive, you must write the number 1 over 2 to the power what? 1 over 2 to the power what? To the power 3x. I change, yes, I change negative to positive. Then half to the power x equals 5. It is 5. So you write 5 to the power what? To the power 3. Because half to the power x, it is 5. So 5 to the power 3 equals 125. Right? So the answer is 125. So the answer is C. It is C. Right? Do you understand, Muhammad Abdul Latif? Do you understand now? Right, good. We will go to number 6 now. Also, if the sum of 5 numbers is 30, what is the greatest number? So, if you have this problem, can you help me also to solve this problem? Can you help me? If the sum of 5 numbers, we have 5 numbers, is 30, what is the greatest number? Okay, I give you a technique. I give you a technique where if you have the same problems, only if the sum of 5 numbers is 30, only you divide it by the number. Here he said 5 numbers. You divide it by 5. Then you get the middle one. Because 30 divided by 5, it is 6. So this 6 is the middle one. The middle one. He said 5 number. So the middle one is 6 and 7. Also here 8. Also before it 5 and 4. Look here, the middle one is what? The middle one, it is 6. Look, this is the middle one, 6. So what is now the greatest number here? You see, what is the greatest number here? The greatest number, it is what? The greatest number, it is 8. So the answer is 8, right? Do you understand, my student? Good. Do you understand the question? Right. Now, we will go to number 7. Number 7, he said that number 7 said, a right circular cylinder with volume 500 by centimeter cube, and it is base radius length 5 centimeter. Then it is height is what? So here we have volume of cylinder. What is the volume of cylinder? The rules, maybe the rules are given in exam. The cylinder volume, you see here, you can read the problem. Cylinder, here circular, cylinder volume of cylinder. What is the rule of volume cylinder? Can you remember? Can you help me? It is what? It is by R what? Square multiplied by H. It is R square multiplied by H, right? By R square multiplied by h. That equals what? Equals 500 by. Pay attention, please, and help me how I solve it. Okay, he asked about what? He asked about, look here, he asked about height. Look, he want height here. Okay, now, can I delete also? Look here, we have by. You can simplify by with by. Is gone. Also, it is base radius length is 5. The radius give me 5. So we write the radius. Radius is 5. So we write it 5 square. You write it here 5 square h equals 500. Right? Then 5 square it is 25. Right? So divided by 25 here. Also another way, divided also by 25. We put here 0. Look here, 0, and here 0. Divided also by 25. So you simplify it. Then 525 divided by 25, it is what? It is 20. So the answer is number B. Do you understand, my student? Is it clear? I have by r square h equals 500 pi. Then I simplify the same variable. Then I substitute it r, it is 5 square divided by 25 each side, then it is 20. Right, thank you, Fatima. Okay, now we will go to number 8. Okay, in opposite figure. Okay, open your book, please, and write the answer, because you don't have steps how to solve. Step solution, you don't have it in your book. So write the steps solution, how to get the answer. Okay, in the opposite figure, x, what is it here, x? Look, the triangle, a triangle here, because what is the sum angle of a triangle? Can you answer? What is the answer of a triangle? What is the sum angle? Yes, Kauthar, right, good. You are excellent. It is 180. Also here, 180, right? Also this 180. Also the big one, also 180, right? So we want to find x here. What is x here? What is x here? Okay, can you give me your option? I have here 150, and the third one, what is it here? It is what? The third one, because I have here 150. When you add 150, and what is the least, or the left? What is the left here? It is 30, right? The remainder is 30, right? Good. So another one here 30, then the second one it is 30, because they are the same, right? The two angles the same. So I can now find, look, the big one. Big one, here I have 50, and here I have 60, and what is the x? 50 plus 60, it is 110. And you subtract 180 minus 110 equals what? Equals what? Equals 70. Right, good. So the answer x is 70, right? Then the answer is C. Did you get this point? Do you understand? Is it clear? Muhammad Abdul Latif, is it clear? Right, thank you. Okay, now, Fatima Al Hashim, yes, thank you. Okay, now we will go to another example. Here, another example, number 9. In the opposite figure, here, another example. In the opposite figure, here, how I find the problems. Here I have 60, y, x, y, z, right? What is the problem? Pay attention, the angle that opposite long one is greater. The angle is greater if you have 60, right? Then if you get, yes, if you get, if you get here in the opposite figure, okay, wait, please, like, wait, right, okay, wait, my student. Okay, now, here we have, in the opposite figure, what is the correct answer? You see, you look, see? Okay, when you add here, because I have 60 here, right? I have 60 and x plus y, you here, y plus x equals what? If you add here, x plus y equals what? Equals 180 minus 60 is 20 when you add it, right? Also, y plus z, also the same answer, will be also the same. 180 minus 60, it is 120, right? So this 120 and here, so are the same. Then the answer is, the correct answer is number C. Right, good, right. Okay, now we will go to another questions. It is number 10. Now number 10, okay, number 10. If x over 7 plus y over 7 equals 2 1 over 5, what then x plus y, what is the answer? Here, okay, now if I have the same denominator, you can delete it. Okay, first you multiply 7 by 2 plus 1. 7 multiply 2, it is 14, plus 1, it is 15 over 7, right? 15 over 7, right? Then you simplify. 7 you simplify all denominator because are the same. 7 with 7, or you multiply multiply by 7, then you simplify. Then x plus y equals what? Equals 15. So the answer is number C. The answer is number C, right? Good. Now we will go to another example. Here, the graph shows the number of pens, pencil, ruler, and erasers sold by a store in 1 week. Names of items or items are not on the graph. Pens are the most sold. Yes, we write here, we write pens and rulers. Which one? Pens are the most sold. So we put it here, pens. I put it here, pens. Here, pens, right? And eraser are the fewest to be sold. Fewest, this yes, eraser, it is eraser. And pencil are sold more than ruler. Pencil, yes, pencil are okay. Pencil are sold more than rulers. So the ruler here, I think ruler here. Oh, here. The second, yes. Here, rulers, yes. And okay, now what is the first one? It is what? The first one is pencil. Pens are the most, sorry, pencil are. Here, pencil, right? Here, I am sorry. Yeah, we different. Here, pencil, right? Pencil. Yeah, pencil, this ruler. Okay, now, how many pencils were sold? How many pencils were sold? It is what? It is 100. So the answer is 100, right? Good. So, we will go to another questions also. Okay, now the second question. The second question, what is it? The difference between the number of pens and ruler, is it what? What is the number between rulers and pens? Rulers, it is 80. Pen, it is 100. You only subtract 120. It is what? Here, pencil, it is 120. So you subtract 120 minus 4 minus minus 100. Oh, sorry. Minus 80 rulers equals what? Equals 40. So the answer is what? The answer is number 40. The answer is 40. Right, it is D. Right, good. Okay, now. Okay, rulers are sold more than, number 13. Rulers are sold more than eraser, than what? Than eraser, right? Good. So number C, right. It is easy, I think, the question. Right, it is C. Okay, now, 14, a factory produces 400 lamps daily. If the probability that the lamp is defective 0.02, then the expected number of good lamps produced daily is, okay, the probability of good lamps. What is the good lamps? I have, because defective is 0.02, the probability of good lamps, what is it? Only you subtract, right? It is 1, because of probability, it is 1. Minus 0.002 minus 0.02 equals 0.98, right? This the good lambs, the probability of good lambs. Now you multiply 0.98 times 40. Then 400 multiply by 0.98. Then you get the answer is what? 392. So the answer is B, right? The answer is B. Okay, you can also solve by another way. You can multiply 400 in 0.02. You can multiply it 400, multiply it by 0.02, then you put it 2 over 100, right? 2 over 100. You simplify, then 4 times 2 equals 8. That's deductive lamb. That's not good. They're not good lambs. So you subtract 400 minus 8, it is 392. You see, you can solve by 2 ways. Okay, number 15. If 3 times of a number is 6, then a quarter of this number is, what is it? If 3 times of a number is 6, 3 times you put it x, the number, 3 times, so you write 3x equals 6, right? Equals 6. Then a quarter of this number, what is the quarter? So you find the number now, divided by 3, also here divided by 3, to find the number, then x equals 2, right? So then quarter of this number, what is the quarter? A quarter you divide it by 4, right? Divided by 4, you find the quarter. So 2 divided by 4, it is 1 over 2 or half. Now the answer is what? The answer is number B. You see? Is it clear? My student, is it clear? Do you understand? Right, good. Now number 16. Yes, number 16. Find the sum of numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, please write the rules or the formula. How to find the sum of the numbers from 1 to 20? How to find the sum? Here, to find the sum, you have a rules, or I have another way by your mind. If you have a rules, what is the rules? You can write x, write it this rule, that's to find the sum from 1 to 1, it is plus 1 here, over what? Over 2. So we can find the sum. The sum of numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, only write, only substitute x, it is 200, then you write it here. So x, it is 200, then you write 200 here, and multiply x, it is 200 also, yeah, 200 plus 1, yes, right, good, Fatima Al-Sheikh, right, plus 1 divided by 2. Then you can simplify right here. You simplify by 2, it is 1. Divided by 2, it is 100. Then 200 plus 1, it is 201. Multiply by 100, it is what? What is the answer? What is the answer here? Because 100 multiply 201, the answer is 201, yes, 100. So 20,100. So the answer is number D. The answer is number D. Okay, you know now how to find the sum of numbers from 1 to 200. Okay, only by rules, or also you have also a technique, also way, or you can have another way. You can also write it from 1 to 100. 1, 2, 3. If you forget the rules, or if you forget the formula, you can use it like by mind. Here it is 1, 9, 8, and 1, 9, 9. It is also 200. Okay. Now here you can use it like this. يعني you can here 1 plus 199, it is 200. 2 plus 198, it is 200. And this also 200. So how many 200s we have it? We have the half of 200. So we have 100 and 200. So you multiply 100 times 200. We have, yes, we have 100 of 20. Then plus the what? Plus the middle one. The middle one is 100. The middle one is 100. Then you multiply it 100 times 200. It is 20,000 plus 100. It is also 20,100. So the same answer. Okay. Okay. Now we will go to another questions number 17. The least number formed from 5 digits and divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6, and 9 all together, right? Here, the least number formed from 5 digits and divisible by 2, 3, 5, 9, 6, and 9 all together. Okay, okay, we try it. We try the answer. Okay, 10,000, is it divisible by 2? Yes. Divisible by 3? No. So this answer wrong. Also 80. Yeah, 80, is it is divisible by 2? Yes. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. How do you know? How do you know divisible by 3? When you add 1 plus 8, it is 9. So 9, it is divisible by 3. So is it divisible? Is it divisible by 5? Yes. Is it divisible by 6? Yes. It is. Is it divisible by 9? No. No. So number B is not divisible or by number. It is B. Yeah, the answer is B, right? Yeah, 9. It is okay. The answer is B, right? Yes, divisible by 8 or by 9, right? So the answer is B. Because number C, not divisible by 2. Look here, the units is 5, so not divisible by 2. Here, not divisible by 9. So the answer is B, right? Divisible all 2, 3, 5, 6, and 9. So the answer is B. Okay, now number 18. Which of the following equation is correct? Which of the following equations is correct? Okay, can you help me? What is the correct answer here? We try. First, you start with multiplication. 2 times 2, it is what? It is 4. Plus 1, it is 6. So the first one, it is wrong. So this wrong. The second one, 2 multiply 2, it is 4. Plus 1, it is 5. So the second one is wrong. Okay, 2. Oh, here you start with multiplication. 1 multiply 2, it is 2. Plus 2, it is 4. So it is this wrong. The third one, 2 multiply 1, it is 2. Plus 2, it is 4. So the correct answer is, what is the correct answer? It is number D. You see? Right. We will take another question, then you complete the list questions. Okay, we will take 90 and 20. Then the list will be 5 questions. You solve it in your home. Okay. Now I solve 19 and 20. Then we will go to variable section. Okay. Now, if 15% of a number equals 30, then number is what? If I have 15%, you write 15 Offer, yes, 100, right? But of a number x equals 30. So what is the number? Right? Yes, you multiply by 100 and divide it by 15. So 30 multiplied by 100 divided by 15. So you simplify this. Divided by 15, it is 1. It is here 2. 2 multiply 100, it is 200. Right? So the answer is what? The answer is C. So the correct answer is C. Right? Is it clear? Is it clear, my student? All right. Now, number 20, the last questions here in this class now. Which of the following numbers lies between 0.07, 0.08? How I find the number between them? You see here, if you you can find it here 0.05. Yeah, what is the answer? 05, 07, 05, 08. Yeah, 07. Yes, it is this not. It is because this no. And another here 0075. It is no. Also this wrong. So the answer is B, right? Why? Because 0.075 lies between two numbers. Okay, so the answer is B. Okay, now we finish this math section. We will go to variable section now. We have the left 5 questions from 21 to 25. Please solve the problems. Try solve the problems and write your step solution to find you find the correct answer. Okay, and you are welcome. Thank you with Mr. Zaki, and also see you in another class. Thank you very much and good luck. Wonderful in your weekend. Thank you very much.